far are we going? Just one stop?
2 stops.
All right. Port Authority. This is ours? All right. This is great.
So I'll teach you guys a little bit about a train. This type of train is called a married
There's
pair.
Patrick.
What's that mean?
So a married pair
Here we go.
means is that they're identical trains
Ah.
at the same time. So they actually have a cab on each
Damn.
side. So
Oh,
the
you can
operator
go both ways.
walk. Yep.
They actually at Allegheny Station, they reverse direction. The driver has to get out.
Sure.
And he goes the other end.
And they do this, and they have something in the back of this called
Holy
oscillator
crap.
train control, which is basically a lower speed control. They can move through the arms.
Wow.
So the actual controls are between the front and the back of the train, but they also can decouple and run on a lower speed. So they can move this train to the back. Sometimes they'll do that for wheel wear.
So they can run it back.
Well, wheel wear. They'll actually flip the trains around to get even better wheel wear.
Here's the other train passing us.
Now this train's connected to another one, so that.
All right. This is which station now? Wood Street. That's it.
Wood Street should